Hey, good afternoon, Robertson County. We're gonna give our daily update. Won't take just a few minutes. But as of 2 o'clock today, Robertson County had 35 positives COVID-19 cases. I'm afraid that's up 8 from yesterday. And 292 negatives, and we had no deaths. Tennessee has 2,683 positive cases and 29,769 negatives and 24 deaths. Okay, I want to welcome y'all again to this daily update. And the only new information I had to remind county residents that I will be renewing my emergency executive order that went into effect Saturday, March 28th. That order will be in place for 7 days, so we'll issue it again with some slight changes on Friday, April the 3rd. So be on the lookout for that information on Friday. This one will cover a lot more things that we have worked on in our task force meetings, and I think it's something that everybody needs to look forward to seeing. For today, I just would like to do a quick review of what residents should be doing during this pandemic. First, please take it seriously. I was talking to a doctor today, and he told me that if we don't take the distance seriously, that this thing could stretch out for a long time, or at least until we get a vaccine. So I asked people to not go into crowds, stay away from a lot of social gatherings, and just keep it down to, well, just stay at home. That's what I wished you'd do, but I wished you would do that. All right, I would say that if we don't adhere to these guidelines set by the CDC and the government officials, then we're going to be going through this for a lot longer than we really should. Here's a few things to do religiously in your day-to-day life. First, that the elbow bump was all done. That's a no-no now. That's not 6 feet apart, and they've started putting in doctors' offices notices to quit doing the elbow bump. I thought that was pretty cool. But anyway, avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Cover your cough and sneeze with tissue, then throw it away. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water for 20 seconds. And use hand sanitizer. Handle bathroom door handles and sink knobs with a paper towel, and then throw it away. Your foot will work. Please remember no group gatherings of more than 10. Keep 6 feet apart and only go out when you absolutely have to. Also remember that the City of Springfield has closed its parks and playgrounds, but the greenways are still open, and of course the golf course. Let me repeat what I've said before. We all need to do our part to help stop the spread of this disease. And the best way to do it is to stay at home as much as possible. We know all these things you need and must have. That's why places like grocery stores, gas stations remain open. But if people refusing to behave like our county is in an emergency situation, we will only hinder our chances of getting back to normal soon. Okay, the Robertson County Task Force is still doing our daily conference calls. We're getting supplies to the fire departments, first responders, and to those who need it. And we're going to keep doing this until we can see these numbers change. And this conference call is consisting of mayors, EMA, EMTs, the schools, and of course the hospital and the other people. More and more people is getting on the conference call. The Chamber of Commerce, Industrial Board, and we're doing all we can to get information out, and I'm talking about true information. So please stay healthy, and God bless Robertson County and the state of Tennessee. Thank you.